In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to set the default color palette in your website using the Divi theme. Setting the default color palette saves a lot of time as it helps take away time in copying the different color codes every time for every other element. This is the first thing one should do while building the site with Divi. Once you installed and activate the Divi theme, simply hover over Divi and click on Theme Options here. Under General Settings, you can see here the Color Picker default palette. You can see these colors as of now, but I want to add the colors that I'll be using on this site for different modules and elements, so that I can select those much more quickly. So here you can see this is the logo for the site. It has 3 colors here. I already remember the color codes, but you can simply use Photoshop and drag out the color codes using the Color Picker tool. So let's change these default colors over here. Simply click here on this color and add your color code here like this. Simple as that. Let's add another color code here. Repeating the process, you can customize your default color palette and make the process easier. You can order these colors according to how often you use them. Black and white are the colors that are mostly used, so I'm going to add those as well. You can add more and more colors like this. You can set default colors using this color palette over here. Once everything is in place, don't forget to save the changes. So, let's see how this is going to help us. Moving to the Page Editor window, you can see some elements have been added over here. Now, for example, if you want to change the color in the section's background, then simply go to the section settings like this. Under the background settings, you can see the colors over here which we set in the default color palette. You can now quickly choose the colors from here. So you see how easy it is now. Instead of copying and pasting the color codes again and again, you can simply add those to the default color palette and use them super quickly. Now, you can also learn some amazing Elementor tricks and tips. I'll link the video in the description below, or you can also click on the eye icon on the top right corner of your screen to view the video. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. Until next time.